Finding a side table that actually fits next to a cramped armchair without looking like an afterthought is surprisingly hard. Most options are either too bulky or just plain boring. But this compact pedestal table from ChicAura seems to have cracked the code for tight corners. It pairs a warm, antique brass column with a soft white faux marble top, creating a look that feels way more expensive than it actually is. At just under 23 inches tall with a 16-inch diameter, it is practically begging to hold your morning coffee or an evening cocktail. Honestly, the proportions are spot on. It is tall enough to reach comfortably from a standard couch, yet slender enough to tuck into those awkward gaps between a chair and the wall where nothing else seems to fit. Now here is the thing about the setup. It is ridiculously simple. You basically just pop the round top onto the pedestal column, and you are good to go. No sweating over complicated instruction manuals or hunting for misplaced hex keys. Once it is together, it feels surprisingly sturdy for something that weighs only about 6.5 pounds. It is rated to hold up to 30 pounds, which is plenty for a lamp, a couple of books, and a heavy ceramic mug. What stands out, though, is the finish. The brass has this brushed, vintage character that avoids looking overly shiny or cheap. But let us be real for a second. Up close, you can tell the top is faux marble rather than solid stone. It looks great from a distance and handles spills without staining, but touch it and you will know it is a laminate finish. Also, because it is so lightweight, you might want to be a bit careful if you have big dogs with happy tails or toddlers running around. A hard bump could send it wobbling. Still, for anyone trying to maximize a small living room, entryway, or even a tight bedside space, this little stand is incredibly charming. It brings that high-end boutique hotel vibe without demanding a massive footprint or a massive budget. It is simple, stylish, and does exactly what it promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.